Tired of the same old chaffle recipes? Try this one. It's a chip beef dip chaffle. You're gonna need dried beef, green onions, everything but the bagel seasoning, Worcestershire sauce, 1 egg, cream cheese, and mozzarella cheese. I found the chip beef, dried beef, in the aisle where you would find corned beef hash in the canned food aisles. I used 3 slices of the dried beef, cut it into slices, then cut it into little pieces. I did 2 tablespoons of green onions, 2 tablespoons of cream cheese, 1.5 tablespoons of everything but the bagel seasoning. I threw a little bit of Worcestershire sauce in there just to give it a little bit of flavor. Adds a little more saltiness, but little meatiness. Mix that up, added mozzarella, 1/2 cup of mozzarella cheese into your 1 egg. Mix 2 chaffles. Combine it really good. You could layer a little bit of mozzarella cheese if you wanted a nice crusty bottom, but it didn't matter. It came out perfect. Usually you let it go for about 3, maybe even 4 minutes, depending on how much you will put into your chaffle maker. This is something different, out of the ordinary. I like chip beef dip balls that you have at parties. This was really good, a lot of flavor. So if you're looking for a savory chaffle, something different than the sweet, check this out, try it. Thanks again for stopping by my channel here at Busy Ladies Life, and I hope you check out our other videos. Thank you.